get started. So to start with, just go to the rectangle and type in 2400 by 100 mm, then press enter. Okay, once you're done the rectangle, now you go to the offset or explode, to explode the object, and then you go to offset 20 mm, and then you just offset both left and right side. It's just to indicate the outer frame of the sliding door, and then offset 25 mm 3 times, and then you go to the offset again and type in 605 mm, then enter, and then you go to offset again, type in 30 mm. You have to offset both left and right. It's actually indicated the frame of the sliding door. And now you can go to offset again, repeat the same process, offset 6 or 5 mm, and then offset 30 mm both left and right side, and then offset again 6 or 5